So hi, I got this Maytag Centennial dryer that is not rotating, and basically it blowing heat, but it's not rotating. Okay, so if you look at it, all right, and it blows heat. So the main problem for this is guess what? Length, length. All right. So now it turns. It's basically turning. It's blowing air, but it's blowing air, as you can see, because I disconnected it. Okay, and I have to shut it off. And this guy, look, is dry. So what I'm gonna do is, well, what I did before, because I ran into this issue before. This part in here, it goes back into right here, and it fits right there, and it comes to this hole. So it's connected by two screws, as you can see. All right, I took the back off. I took the tube, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up. Take all the lint off because it looks like it's full, and all the lint in here. Okay. This thing in here rotates, so it's good. Okay. So as you can see, all this stuff in here. The moment I take that off, I bet that started turning. Look how much it is. Yep, all this lint in here. Actually, I'm gonna get a scraper to scrape it off a little bit, and then also I'm gonna use the vacuum, which I have it right there. I will use that as well, and hopefully it works, man. Because to be honest with you, I'm tired of this. I mean, you get the idea anyway. So I found the problem. This piece in here was laying down on the ground, and also see this belt, it's loose, and also it was showing up over here. But that's not the only thing. This belt looks like it's supposed to go in here, but what baffles me, how does this one supposed to go in here somewhere? Okay. I got so much play in here, so I'm not sure if this is supposed to go this way. But there's so much play into this. Or it's supposed to go this way. But this one doesn't feel like it's supposed to go that way because this part goes over here. But also, how do you get the belt inside over here? How the hell did the belt come off? I don't know. I have to figure this out because you need to try.